Velo's worth and development are expected to be galactic because it is so powerful and genuinely has gigantic potential when compared to other resource types. It's a big issue these days that crypto doesn't require any kind of presentation. The emergence of cryptos in recent years has been swift. Essentially, Velo's is seeking to fundamentally predict and be sensitive to current economic conditions, or so they thought. In any case, we selected to produce the best anticipated esteem and appraise progress for Velo/'s future. Specifically, last month is really normal. Velo cost in a real sense was 0.0436, and according to our speculation, Velo exchanged is especially high as 0.0602 and is kind of low as 0.00 last month. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking in the event that we center around in every practical sense, by large development, Velo most certainly developed by 47.5543684591113 365% very last month. Based on our most recent month's is colleague price estimate, we predicted that Velo will actually continue with its positive stance ahead, or so they in a real sense thought. Right now the current price of Velo is 0.00404, but it has the potential to reach 0.00887 in the not too distant future due to the price variations of Yellow /. We have in a real sense anticipated that the price of Velo would increase by $13.09 toward the beginning of May 2023, which is very important. During the middle of May, the price is supposed to ascend by a maximum of 119.61 before the month's over. Velo was truly liable to develop by 142 as a result of Velo price reductions, cost variances. We fully projected that the price of Velo would fall by $13.09 at the start of May 2023, based on current market conditions. By 2025, the cost might generally be capped at 0.0141. And Velo, in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Velo came to 0.00336 when it dipped under 0.00173. Intriguingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers NM, during the middle of May the cast is expected to fall by a really limit of 11,961 in a significant manner. In the near future, the price of Velo will surpass its previous all-time high of $2.07 and settle somewhere in the range of 0.00696 and 0.00887 as of now. It is possible that Velo will break through the 0.0103 barrier and truly hold the market toward 2024 in a significant way, with the least Velo cost being between 0.00867 and 0.0103 and the most likely value cost being consistent at around 0.00990 by the end of 2024. And its 24-hour trading volume is genuinely at 7.71 million, ranking at 631 in the entire crypto world, despite the fact that Velo has experienced backlashes and certainly wild swings in his team and the discussion surrounding its earth-threatening energy utilization. Tim Draper, an extremely wealthy financial speculator, is generally sticking to his expectation that Velo will in every practical sense reach 0.0103 toward the end of 2024 or particularly mid-2024. Expected value in 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists anticipate that Velo will begin the year at 0.0119 in exchange around 0.0143 in an unpretentious manner as indicated by their forecasts. This would in a real sense be very sort of high contrasted with last year, which is genuinely huge. This is actually an adequate leap. In Bitcoin, the low value forecast 2026, there is a kind of good possibility that Velo 2026 value expectation will truly twofold in cost, yet Velo 2026 value expectation will follow value expectation 2027 Velo value expectation, where Velo will experience significant growth in 2027 due to the fact that it has the potential to accomplish new heights in terms of sticker prices and market cap, both of which are extremely important factors. It has been anticipated that Velo will arrive at the most extreme cost of 0.0184 in 2027 or so. They really thought the especially least cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially be around 0.0155 in the following a long time from 2027 or so. They truly thought Velo//'s cost is anticipated to outperform 0.0184 Velo figure. 2028 Velo is expected to cost a minimum of 0.0191 this year, with the truly severe cost reaching 0.0220 Velo. Market analysts and industry professionals predict that Velo value expectation and specialized examination Velo is expected to pass a value level of 0.0217 in 2028, while Velo is expected to cross a value level of 0.0217 in 2028, with the velocity value estimated for 2029 as of the beginning of 2029. The Velo value forecast in technical analysis anticipates that the cost of Velo will reach 0.0294 and the cost of value ought to reach 0.0294 before the year's end. Equally, Velo can reach up to 0.0272 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring huge years for Velo development, which is really in opposition to what the majority of people believe. Undervalued forecast for the year 2030. Out of 2030, according to Velo figure and careful examination, the average price of Velo will be 0.0423, and the cryptocurrency market anticipates a significant price change in the near future. Velo value forecast 2031 value cost is genuinely estimated to a specifically reached 0.0555 by 2031 at the very least, with a type of normal exchanging cost of 0.0580 all through 2031. Velo / is worth might come to 0.0581 at its most noteworthy. Despite popular belief, market experts believe that the essentially most costly price should trade around 0.0580, which is a significant Velo figure. 2032. Every 2032, Velo will attempt to achieve the lowest level of 0.0757, and it may also attempt to get the highest and sort of following top level of 1.0787, respectively. Any kind of mistrust in traditional financial systems plays into the hands of crypto, Rasmussen explained, adding, "I'm happy to see the correlation fall between traditional risk assets, traditional equities, and crypto." Joe DePasquale, CEO of crypto fund manager BitBull Capital, told CoinDesk in an email that the current macroeconomic situation around the world is creating a conducive environment for crypto assets to thrive. This week, DePasquale expects Bitcoin's price to remain stable between $25,000 and $27,000 before bouncing toward $30,000 again. "We don't believe the market requires a catalyst in the near term," he added. "It is only a matter of time before we see another major rally." What does Bitcoin's recent stablecoin supply ratio mean? The stablecoin supply ratio, SSR, has dropped by almost 11% in the last 11 days, signaling a possible increase in buying demand for Bitcoin. The metric, which compares the market capitalization of Bitcoin to the market capitalization of stablecoins, provides insight into the supply and demand dynamics between stablecoins, used as a vehicle to purchase cryptocurrencies, and BTC itself. A larger SSR suggests that purchasing power is dwindling, whilst a lower value indicates that purchasing power is expanding. The recent dip in SSR comes after a 52% surge between March and May 5. The pivot suggests that more cash or liquid reserves have entered the market, which may result in higher BTC prices. Bitcoin, BTC